Hey guys, it's your girl Nikki Bless J, and I am back, and today I'll be doing a review on House of CB. So my coworker, she had invited me to this party and she said for come out. So if you're Jamaican, you're supposed to know what the term mean by come out. So you know say goodie that will come out and all of these things. So the first thing come to my mind was House of CB. They're expensive. It might not be expensive to you, but it's expensive to me. So I went on House of CB and I went in the sales section because I was not about to spend $100. So I went in the sales section and I was there scrolling through, and I end up finding Dexy coral dress. This is the box it came in. Yes, this is a box. I already worn the dress, but I put it back in the box so I could show you guys what it looked like. This little note came inside of it also. This tag came on the dress. So if you happen to purchase from House of CB, you don't take this tag off. You try the dress first, and then if the dress fits properly and if you like the dress, then you cut the tag off. Because then if you take the tag off, you're not going to be able to send it back. And the dress was just $68. I'm going to show you what it is. So this is it. It's a sexy little bodycon dress with the lace at the side. Let me show you the bottom of it. And this is the back of the dress. The material is also thick. I just love it. So I'm gonna try it on and come back and show you guys. Hey guys, I am back. I really love this dress. I like the fact that the zip goes all the way to the bottom of the dress. I also love the lacing at the front. One thing I didn't like was the fact that it was a bit too wide, but it was okay. I also love the breast lining. It was perfect. This bag I also got from Fashion Nova to pair with my dress, and it was $20. And the shoe was from Zara and it was just $40. So like the fact that they didn't just put effort in the dress, but also their packaging. The packaging is everything. Remember I was telling you about the tag on the dress? This paper came inside the box and it's a policy, store policy. It's giving you detail on their return and stuff that you should and should not do.
Twerk, girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk.